Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we'll be discussing an example of obtaining Fourier series of the given function, where the function is a double-valued function. We can see f of x is minus k between the range minus pi to 0, and it will be plus k between the range 0 to pi. Even we need to deduce the required series, that is pi by 4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 and so on. So very first I'll be writing the given Fourier series. Therefore the Fourier series of f of x in the interval minus pi to plus pi of a period 2 pi is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of an into cos nx plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of bn into sin nx. I'll be calling it as equation number 1. But we know that if we check it out the nature of the given function, that is more better to get a quick result in this case. So since it is a double valued function, so to check out the nature of the given function, I'll be taking the first function as pi of x, that is equal to minus k, and second function as xi of x, that is equal to plus k. Since the function is between the interval minus pi to plus pi, what to do? X is going to be replaced by minus x. This is the funda. Fine. So when we replace x by minus x, since the given function is having a constant k, there is no replacement of x. There is no x at all. So if we replace x by minus x also, then we will be getting minus k. And this is same as xi of x with opposite sign. With opposite sign. Therefore, the function pi of minus x becomes minus xi of x. Therefore, it's even or odd. If first function is same as second function, even if the first function after replacing x by minus x, if it is same as second function with opposite sign, then this will be odd. This is odd function. Therefore, the given function f of x is odd. Odd means a naught is equal to 0 straight away, an is equal to 0. So only we need to calculate bn. Therefore, let us start calculating bn with the formula. What is the formula now? 2 by pi integration between 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi integration between 0 to pi. Now the f of x, what is f of x? Now the question comes, f of x has to be taken. F of x is a double valued function since it is given in the example. But we need not take both the functions here. Why? Because we have to understand, after checking out the nature of the given function, we selected a range between 0 to pi. We selected a range between 0 to pi. So I have to choose a function which is there between the 0 to pi. This is between minus pi to plus pi. It cannot be taken. So this is between 0 to pi, though only this function has to be considered. Plus k has to be considered. Means here plus k, what is there, that has to be considered, that into sin nx with respect to x. Fine. Therefore, bn is equal to, since k is a constant, keep it out. So it becomes 2k divided by pi into integration of sin nx will be minus cos nx divided by n between the limit 0 to pi. Therefore, 2k divided by pi into n also I'll take it out. Even I take minus sign out, then substitution goes on. What is the substitution? Substitute the value of upper limit pi in place of x, then we will be getting cos n pi minus, if you substitute, it will be cos 0. Therefore, Bn is equal to minus 2k divided by n into pi into, what is cos n pi? Minus 1 raised to n minus cos 0 is 1. But usually we have a trend of taking positive in the beginning. So if you want to take positive, then I'll be taking, shuffling the terms to get one negative term to make it positive. So to balance, that is 2k divided by n times pi into 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n. So this is the value of Bn. Since A0 is 0, An is 0, and we got a value of Bn, substitute all these results in equation number 1. If you put it in equation number 1, then substitute in equation number 1. Then equation number 1 becomes f of x is equal to A0 by 2, that is 0, An, that is 0, plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of Bn. Bn is 2k divided by n pi into 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n into sin nx. Therefore, f of x is equal to 2k divided by pi will be taken out. 2k divided by pi will be taken out. Inside the bracket, summation, where n is from 1 to infinity, but we get 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n divided by n into sin nx. This is the result. This is the Fourier series. But the question is, what is the value of 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n? Okay, that we will be taking. Here we'll take. But 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n is equal to what? Because n starts from 1 to infinity. If n is 1, then what happens? 1 minus of minus 1 raised to 1 will be minus 1. So minus minus plus, it will be 2. Okay, so it may be like this, 1 minus of, it will be plus 1 when n is even. If n is even, then its result will be plus 1 minus 1, 0. If we take this as minus 1, when it is possible? If n is odd, 1, 3, 5 and everything, if it comes, minus 1 will remain minus 1, minus of minus will be plus, that becomes 2. When if n is odd. Now we have to select whether I have to consider n is even or I have to consider n is odd. If I consider n is even, the value of this becomes 0. Means this result becomes 0. If this result becomes 0, the whole value of f of x becomes 0. Then what for we are calculating? We got a0 0, an 0, we got bn, but due to wrong selection of n is even, this assumption, then this whole result becomes 0. Means series is not possible. So we have to select odd value because we got the value of this is equal to 2. Therefore, this result, if I call it as 2, then the equation number 2 becomes f of x is equal to 2k divided by pi into summation from n equal to 1 to infinity. The value of this bracket is equal to 2 now, 2 into sine nx divided by n. But what kind of n? N is odd. Odd means 1, 3, 5 and so on to infinity. Therefore, this is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 4k divided by pi into summation from n is equal to 1, 3, 5 and so on to infinity of sine nx divided by n. This is the given Fourier series here. This is the required Fourier series. Then we need to deduce the required series also. This series is required. For that, we need to substitute the value. To deduce a required series, we need to put the value of x is equal to something. What value of x you will be preferring? Because if you prefer any value of x, that has to be to support the given function. The given function is having sine. If I put 0, then sine 0 is 0. If I put pi, sine pi is 0, so it becomes again 0. So we have to take the values which are going to support sine. So I will be taking pi by 2. If I take pi by 2, then I have to check it out. What will be the given function? Here the given function is plus k minus k. If I put pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2 means which value I have to take again? I am taking x is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 lies between 0 to pi means again positive k. So that has to be taken. So this is plus k. Fine. Therefore, because our pi by 2 what we have selected, it lies between 0 to pi. Therefore, f of x is equal to k. It becomes k is equal to 4k divided by pi into summation from n is equal to odd numbers 1, 3, 5 and so on to infinity of sine n pi by 2 divided by n, that is equal to 4k divided by pi into, now I remove the summation by putting the value of n, odd values 1, 3, 5 and all. If I put 1, then it becomes sine pi by 2 divided by 1. If I put 3, then it becomes sine 3 pi by 2 divided by 3. If I put 5, then it becomes sine 5 times pi by 2 divided by 5 and so on. Therefore, k is equal to 4. If I take this 4k by pi to the other end, then it becomes pi divided by 4k is equal to, fine, sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So 1 divided by 1 will be 1. Plus, I'll take one more step. Then sine 3 times pi by 2. What is sine 3 times pi by 2? Minus 1. So it is minus 1 divided by 3. Sine 5 times, so it is plus 1. So it is plus 1 divided by 5 and so on. Therefore, k get cancelled. It becomes pi by 4. Pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 1 is 1. It is minus 1 by 3. It is plus 1 by 5. If you continue, it will be minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 9 and so on. So this is the required series. Thank you.